Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, just looking at the pound CAD, looking for a short opportunity here. Just go out, I'll show you what I've got marked up and have a look at it quickly on the daily. I've just marked up the previous daily candle, daily high and low, and just wanting to see how this is trading in relation to that. Also, what's interesting is the weekly open back here, how it traded up and then spiked back down with a lot of momentum to the downside. Bearish pin bar here, okay, obviously attacking buy side liquidity to short. So bias is definitely for a sell. Okay, we can see the trend is clearly running south. All right, we're trading under the weekly open. The weekly trend is the daily trend, the weekly trend is bearish, so we're looking for an opportunity to get involved short. 4-hour chart, traded back into this level here, resistance, down we go. So I'll be looking for an opportunity if it pulls back. Let's have a look at it on, say, a 30-minute. Let's keep an eye out for, like, we're early into the London Open. This is pre-London Open. So just watch for the volatility. It's going to mark up a couple of points of interest. We've got this price gap here. If you have a look at this candle, good strong candle to the downside here. So that's giving me more confidence to take a short. And we do have this imbalance here. And we've also, well, this one's been resolved. Okay, so that traded back into it. So on the 30, I want to mark up these imbalances because I'm interested in where the market takes off, and from this point the gaps that's set up on the way down, because at some stage this will look to trade back up and fill the gaps. Okay, so I'd be looking for an opportunity if we get the pullback. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So if we go down to, so a quick look at it on the 1 hour, just looking for obvious gaps. All right, 30, 15 minute, got this. That was a 30 minute, 30M, 15, yeah, a bit of a price gap, but not much in through here. Possibility it could trade back through. Let's just have a look at the 5. All right, on the 15 minute, we do have this. We grab that. Candle left, candle right, that up. So it has wicked through this one. Nevertheless, it's still a point of interest. Price gap 15. I'm just looking for an ideal entry. I don't want to get in down here. Let's just see if it pulls back. So we've got that, and then we can go down. We've had a look at the 5, have a look at the 3, see what else is showing. Yeah, okay. So we've also got a 3 minute right here. See how it traded back up almost to the pip. Definitely interested in that. So we'll just mark that 3M. I think that's going to be my level. If it comes back up into here, I'll definitely look to short it. And if we go back out now, 15, we've got this range. Well, I think my thing would be if we get a pullback in here, short position, that would interest me, something like that. Stop above the high here. I'd be targeting this low, and we've got about a 3-to-1 risk reward, something like that. I'll be looking, if we do get this, I'll be looking to take 70% of my position off T1 right there. So T1 will be at this 0.8 right where we're trading at the moment. So that's going to be T1. That's where I take 70%. Just marking this up, and then I'll trail the rest and just see what we get out of it. I mean, ideally, okay, something like that. 7, go for 10-to-1 and see how we go. But I think that's my game plan with the pound CAD at the moment. Guys, join my Discord group. The link is below. I'm in there, Asian session through to London, sometimes into the New York Open. Love to see you in there. It's free to join. And with that, it's my take on the pound CAD. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you on the next one.